Hey, it's the Bortone, your go-to video guy, and I have something new and different and fun and flexible for 2023. Right now, this month until January 20th, you can get a video flex pass from me. And what that means is that with a flex pass, you get $750 worth of video services, products, coaching, whatever, anything I offer for $497. So it's a discounted flex pass that you can use anytime during the calendar year 2023. And you can use your flex pass for private coaching and consulting with me. You can use it for courses and programs that I do. You can use it for done for you video editing. Maybe you need your homepage redone or edited. You can use it for video help. Pretty much anything that I offer, you can use your flex pass anytime during the year and basically bank the time and cash it in whenever you need it. Because at some point this year, you're probably going to need some help with video. And if you have this Flex Pass, you will have access to me anytime you need it. So check out the details on the page, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Happy 2023.